Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show how I was able to make $2,900 in less than a minute. I'm going to use a bracket of 6, cancel 20 seconds, use a time of 11, 59, 59, and trade 7 contracts, target of 15, stop at 10, I'm going to select a live account, select true, and enables this strategy. We got 10 seconds before our brackets enter the trade.
Order pending.
Brackets enter.
Order canceled.
And boom. Huge move to make $1,925. And that took 3 seconds. That's just another example of how our software is able to make huge amounts of money in such a short amount of time. If you're interested in getting more information about our software, you can visit us at evtradingsolutions.com. And becoming a member of our software, you can visit us at evtradingsolutions.com. Select the purchase button, go through the process of purchase. If you want to get more information about our service, you can just fill out the form on our support page. See you in the next video.